Hello everyone, welcome back to BPO Interview Tutorials. I hope you guys are doing really well. And today we came up with an interesting video that is on how to set our goals. Okay, we will learn different type of techniques to understand how we can set our goals while working as a different level. So before moving to the video, I would request everyone to share, subscribe the channel. Also click on bell icon so that you will get notification on all the upcoming videos. Don't miss to check out our playlist. You will find amazing videos on MS Excel dashboards, reports, Six Sigma certifications, statistics, Scrum Master, project management, team leader, operation, quality, trainers. Many more videos are there that will help you in cracking the interviews. Let's start today's concept, that is on how to do goal setting. So to understand the goal setting, we will learn a different concept here, which is like hard goals, clear goals, whoop goals, OKRs, and smart goals. We will understand all these concepts in details and what is the meaning of all this like hard, clear, whoop, OKRs, and smart. We will understand everything in detail today. So let's start with the first, which is hard goal. So what do you understand by hard goal? Basically, our main understanding here is how we can set our goals. Okay, so it totally depends on what approach you want to use, right? So I will teach you like 4 to 5 approaches that you can use in order to set your goals in your daily task. Let's start the first one, which is hard goal. So hard, wherein H stand for hard left, A stand for animated, R stand for required, and D stand for difficult. Let's understand all these four terminology accurately. So hard left, connect deeply with your goal on an emotional level. The first point here is, so whenever you have decided you want to achieve anything like any goal, or you're working on any of the project, you have to connect yourself emotionally here, so that along with the smartness. Reason, if you connect with your particular goal, definitely you will find the eagerness to complete that as soon as possible with the accuracy, with the higher accuracy. Next point here is animated. What do you understand by animated? Visualize achieving your goal vividly. So what you have to do, you have to think, you have to like I would say, like, you have to prepare animation in your mind, that how your end goal look like, how your goal powerful, your strength will look like. So you have to prepare that animation in your mind so that you can work more accurately and constantly on your the target. The third point here is required. Focus on the goal that are necessary and important. I would suggest everyone, this is the important point. Don't focus on all the parts. Always focus step by step and always focus on the important one. Always give the priority to your task. Let's complete the priority one task, then move to the other priority. So in this way, we have to focus on it. Last one is difficult. Push yourself to reach goal beyond your usual limit. Self-understandable. Whenever you find a difficulties, don't be afraid, and don't think like, I don't like it, or I don't want to do it, it's really tough, how could I manage it? So don't give all those thoughts in your mind. So always identify the difficulties, work on it, and solve your problem easily, guys. So this is the first part, which is hard goal. So you can use this particular concept on your operationals, quality, or trainers related roles, or Six Sigma certifications. You will find such concepts definitely. Okay, let's move to the another one, which is clear goal. So what do you understand by clear goal? Let's see the meaning of the clear here. C stands for collaborative, L stand for limited, E stand for emotional, A stand for appreciable, R stand for refinable. What is the meaning of collaborative? Work with others towards their objectives. Definitely you have to collab with the other people, and you have to complete your task. Reason, if you work alone on one project, you will get irritated, you will get frustrated, and definitely you will not find anyone to give you a suggestion there. So always have collaboration with the people, so that your task will be divided and that can be completed with the lesser time even. Last, second point, we have limited. Focus on a narrow targeted set a goal. So what I suggest in the earlier said, that we shouldn't focus on the entire project at a one go. We have to divide our task in small parts. So you have to focus on those parts. Definitely you will achieve your end goal here. Next point here is emotional. This is already being discussed. Always take your goal emotionally, and you have to work on it. Appreciable. Break down big goals into manageable goal. That is known as sprint, guys, in the Scrum Master terminology. But here we can see it like, a manager give me a task to complete by end of the day. Now you understood that this task cannot be completed by a single person, or else they cannot be completed in one shot. What you have to do, You have to understand the task and you divide into few parts, and definitely try to give other parts to your colleagues so that they can complete your task as soon as possible. The last 1 year is refinable. Adjust your goal as needed over time. Definitely, suppose we got a deadline to complete the goal by next week, and definitely if you identify a challenges to complete, obviously you have to extend your deadlines there. But it should goes with the proper communication to the customers, even client or the managers who are working around it. Definitely it should go in a formal way. Let's move to the next point, which is WOOP goal. What do you understand by WOOP goal? So W stands for wish, O stand for outcome, O stand for obstacles, and P stand for plan. The name itself give the entire information, but let's study about it in detail. The first one here is wish. Define what you ultimately want to achieve. Yes, so you should have a target in your mind. You should have like what will be my end goal in the mind. If you don't have that picture, definitely you will lose the confidence and the concentration too. Second point here is outcome. Visualize the best result you can accomplish. So you always focus on the result even, but your result, your thinking should be always in a positive manner. Obstacles, identify challenges that could arise. Definitely the waste, the challenges, the issues, impact, whatever are there, you have to identify it and try to cover or try to work on such issues, concerns, and everything so that you can achieve your end goal. Last one is plan. Create strategies to overcome this obstacle. Yes, it's obvious. Whenever you find an obstacle, definitely you have to take a support from your managers, your colleagues. Find the idea, find the plan, how we can reduce it, and definitely with the quality information or idea, you can solve that problem. So this is all about WOOP. The last one, or I would say second last one, which is OKR is goal. So what is the meaning of OKR? O stands for objective and KR stand for key results. KRS stand for key results. So let's understand the first one, which is objective. State clearly what you want to achieve. Yes, so your objective should be clear in order to work on your goal. If your objective is not clear, definitely you will not achieve your goal and you will mess up with multiple information and multiple like you will also get a lack of multiple support even. The next one here is key results. Set measurable outcome to track your progress. Yes, this is obvious. For an example, there is a team and who started the production. So what you know guys, the first 4 weeks, 2 weeks, as per the process, the agent will go to the nesting and there will be a revised targets which are not as per the full production. Why the revised targets are given? Definitely to keep habituated on the volumes and the task what are aligned to the agents, so that while coming to the live production, definitely they will have enough practice. So this is the point of key result, wherein set measurable outcome to be tracked to your projects. So this is all about our goal setting. I believe you guys were wondering that where is the uh, like the last one, which is smart goal. So we have already prepared a video on it. I will add the link in our description as well as in the video. By end of the video you will find the link, and so there we have explained about the smart goal. So you can check out the video, you will get all the information. Also requesting everyone to check our Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn page so that you will get notification on all the upcoming vacancies, and don't miss to say subscribe the channel. Have a great day.